Navin, I cannot take a loss. Is it so difficult to accept a losing trade? But actually, by thinking like this, I end up closing my trades too early and then later on to see the trade working. Why is it so difficult to accept a loss in trading?
This problem is more of a preparation problem. First of all, as a high performance person, you should not like a loss anyway. So that's a good sign. In that angle, that's a good sign. But on the other hand of things is when you're approaching and entering a trade, you have to look at both scenarios. Scenarios of how it can work and scenarios of what if it doesn't work. I think very less time is being spent on what if it doesn't work, what would that look like, how much of that would be a loss, and you have to come to terms with it. So if that exercise is not done prior to entering a trade, then you're going to have this constant conflict of, I don't like the feeling of a loss. I don't like the feeling of a loss. And it's going to make you close your trades early, rather than saying, I've done the work. I know at what point I cannot accept it anymore. And I know at what moments is okay for me. Even though your stop loss is there at the extreme that says that's the maximum, but sometimes it can reach a certain area where you're like, based on how it's going towards your stop loss and how much or how quickly it's going, you can be like, I don't think it's working. I'm out. But you got to go through that scenario in your mind of saying before you enter a trade of like, these are the 2 or 3 ways it can work, but these are the ways where if it goes like this, I'll accept it in the negative because it can recover. But if it goes like this, I will not accept it. I will close it. That is the way you'll mentally prepare yourself. So that way, when it does happen, you don't panic. You're like, I prepared for this. So it's the preparation part that can help you here.
Yeah. So again, it's not so much a psychological problem. It's more like a knowledge problem.
Yeah, just needs a little bit more work in the preparation side of things, and then that problem will go away.